Giraffes. They are so tall. These magnificent creatures are truly a sight to behold, standing head and shoulders above the rest of the animal kingdom. Their necks are super long. In fact, a giraffe's neck alone can be up to 6 feet long, which is taller than most humans. And they have those cool spots. Each giraffe has a unique pattern of spots, much like human fingerprints, making every giraffe one of a kind. These gentle giants are amazing to see. They move with a grace that belies their size, effortlessly gliding across the savannah. They roam Africa, reaching for leaves high in the trees. Their long necks allow them to access food sources that are out of reach for other herbivores. Giraffes are the tallest mammals on Earth. Their towering height gives them a unique vantage point to spot predators from a distance. They can grow to be almost 20 feet tall. Imagine standing next to one of these giants. It's like looking up at a living skyscraper. That's taller than a 2-story house. Their impressive height is not just for show. It plays a crucial role in their survival. Their height helps them reach food that other animals can't. This gives them a significant advantage in the wild, especially during dry seasons when food is scarce. But there's much more to giraffes than just their height. They are social animals, often seen in groups called towers, interacting and communicating with each other. They have a unique way of life. They have special adaptations. For instance, their long tongues, which can be up to 18 inches, help them grasp leaves and navigate thorny branches. And they are fascinating creatures. Their large, expressive eyes and long eyelashes protect them from the harsh sun and insects. Let's take a closer look at the world of giraffes. From their unique physical traits to their social behaviors, giraffes offer a glimpse into the wonders of the natural world. Giraffes live in Africa. They are found south of the Sahara Desert. Their home is a mix of grasslands and woodlands. These areas are called savannas. Savannas are hot and dry. They have tall grasses and scattered trees. The trees are important for giraffes. They provide shade from the hot sun. And they offer a source of food. Giraffes need a lot of space to roam. They travel long distances to find food and water. Unfortunately, their habitat is shrinking. This is due to human activities like farming and development. Giraffes are herbivores. This means they eat plants. Unlike carnivores that hunt for meat, giraffes rely solely on vegetation for their sustenance. Their favorite food is leaves. They particularly enjoy the tender green leaves that are rich in nutrients. They especially love acacia trees. The acacia leaves are not only nutritious, but also provide a significant amount of moisture. Giraffes use their long necks to reach high into the trees. This unique adaptation allows them to access food sources that other herbivores cannot. Their tongues are long and prehensile. This means they can skillfully wrap their tongues around branches to pull leaves off. This means they can grasp and strip leaves from branches. Their tongues are also tough, helping them avoid injury from thorns. A giraffe's tongue can be up to 20 inches long. This incredible length is essential for reaching leaves in tall trees. Giraffes can eat up to 75 pounds of leaves in a day. This large intake is necessary to sustain their massive bodies. They spend most of their time eating. In fact, they can spend up to 16 to 20 hours a day feeding to meet their dietary needs. But they don't need to drink water very often. Their diet provides most of the hydration they require. They get most of the moisture they need from the leaves they eat. This adaptation helps them survive in arid environments where water is scarce. Uniquely, giraffe. Adaptations for a life above. Giraffes have many adaptations that help them survive in their unique environment. These adaptations are not just fascinating, but also crucial for their survival in the wild. Their long necks are the most obvious and iconic feature. This extraordinary length allows them to reach leaves high up in trees that other herbivores can't access, giving them a significant feeding advantage. But they have other special features too. Their prehensile tongues, which can be up to 18 inches long, are incredibly dexterous and help them grasp and strip leaves from branches with ease. Giraffes have long legs too. These legs not only contribute to their towering height, but also play a vital role in their mobility. This helps them run fast from predators. Their long, powerful legs enable them to cover great distances quickly, which is essential for escaping threats. They can reach speeds of up to 35 miles per hour. This remarkable speed, combined with their height, makes them formidable when evading predators. Giraffes also have a special circulatory system. Their hearts are incredibly strong, capable of pumping blood up their long necks to their brains, which is no small feat given the distance. It helps them pump blood all the way up to their heads. When they bend down to drink, special valves in their neck veins prevent blood from rushing to their heads too quickly, preventing fainting. And of course, there are the spots. These spots are not just for show. They play a crucial role in their survival. Each giraffe's spot pattern is unique. It's like a fingerprint. These patterns help researchers identify individual giraffes and study their behavior and social structures. The spots help them camouflage in the dappled light of the savannah. This natural camouflage is essential for avoiding predators, especially when they are young and more vulnerable. Giraffe society, more than just long necks. Giraffes are social animals. They live in loose groups called towers. A tower can have anywhere from a few individuals to over 30 giraffes. Female giraffes and their young stay together. Male giraffes form bachelor herds. They compete for the attention of females. Male giraffes sometimes engage in necking. This is a way of establishing dominance. They swing their necks and heads at each other. It looks rough, but it's usually harmless. Giraffes are cooler than you think. Giraffes are full of surprises. Here are a few fun facts you might not know. Giraffes only need to sleep for about 30 minutes a day. They usually take short naps standing up. Baby giraffes can stand up just minutes after they are born. Giraffes can hum. They communicate with each other using low-frequency sounds. A giraffe's heart can weigh up to 25 pounds. That's bigger than a basketball. Protecting the gentle giants. Giraffes are amazing creatures, but sadly, their populations are declining. We need to protect them. We can help by supporting conservation efforts. We can also reduce our impact on their habitat. By learning about giraffes, we can appreciate them even more. Let's work together to ensure that these gentle giants continue to roam the African savanna for generations to come.